What's up? I'm episode 20 from Richie the Great 89 Film and Tape Productions here. So I was a little bit on the break, so my tablet broke on the accident. Since that, well, today I'm gonna be putting these in the fridge. Oh, I hope I don't break the eggs. Somebody will be very upset. Yeah. Yes. That's. I gotta put these to make them cold. I don't think there's much room for the fridge. This would work. That's it. I put it away. Careful not to break that handle or break the fridge. There we go. Put them in the fridge. Nobody wants.
Where's that toilet paper at? No.
Alright. After I'm done in the video putting drinks in a fridge. Alright then. Oh. Oh.
Thank you, Marcus.
I'm still on the new channel. Don't judge me. I empty these free balls out, so... Okay, Wednesday I did try one bottle after lasagna. Then I put these free balls in the fridge. Can't wait to do more of these drinks. I hope they have it in Kroger. Can't wait to make more money before I done Walmart. It's gonna be putting back these balls and cans at Kroger since, yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Bye.